Hello dear Scorpio, welcome to my channel, and this is your last week of July's reading plus August first week reading. So let's see what this new week is bringing for you, what this last week is giving to you. This is going to be a love plus career reading, so get ready. If you have any question on your mind, think about it so that you can get an answer. Okay? So Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, if you have that in your chart, this reading will resonate with you. If not, please book your personal reading. Let's start with your career. You've got the Astronomer card and the Moon card. Yes, my mic is still on. Thank God for that. I do see that you have a very good work-life balance, that you're giving equal amount at home, equal amount at work. I also see that you could be very caring and nurturing when it comes to your family, but at the same time, you could be a person who is very good at their jobs also, like a perfect person who can be there for partying and who can also be there when someone gets sick, right? You are a perfect person. But unfortunately, people around you are not the same. I do see that in your career, you could be somebody who has hidden enemies, okay? Enemies which pretend to be your friends, your colleagues, right? But they actually don't like you or are envious of your life in some way or your work, or they are there to snatch your position, your business, your deals in some way. I do see that people around you in your work, whether you have a job or business, can have hidden intentions, will not have your best intentions, okay? Your best interests. So beware of that. This is a card of caution that somebody is lying about something or hiding the truth, which can affect you badly. So please make sure that you're not trusting anybody easily. If you're signing any documents, taking up a new job or role, do not go on the face value. You know, sometimes when you're giving the interviews, they say, oh, that person was so nice, or the HR was so nice, or the CEO was so nice on the face, right? But they end up being cunning person. So please make sure that you are doing your own background check, 100% background check on the companies and the vendors or the investors that you're dealing with, reading the documents carefully before signing so that, you know, these hidden things are not hidden anymore. So please be very, very cautious. Also, if you think slightly that something is off, please do not go by what is written maybe on the website, but follow your intuition, right? Because you know better, you've met the person, your intuition will guide you. I do feel that you have a strong intuition, Scorpio. Okay, also you're a water sign, so this is really very necessary for you this week to listen and follow to your intuition and not trust people blindly. Don't go by the face value. Also your dreams, pay attention to what your dreams are telling you. I also see that you could have significant dreams this week as well. This was about your career. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the 10 of stars and the death card. I also see a particular sign popping out for you, which is Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay. Uh, Somebody either abandoned you or there has been a lot of frustration in a relationship. It could be an on and off situation, or somebody on whom you have been waiting for a very long time to maybe change, that you know they will change or this relationship will get better, but it just did not in some way. Now with the death card here, I hate to break it to you, but this is long gone. This has ended like a long time ago. I feel that you have been unnecessarily wasting your time on waiting on someone for a reconciliation, for something to reignite, or you're unnecessarily dragging a relationship or marriage. I see that this relationship is dead. There's nothing left for you. Please do not try to revive it. Okay? This is a time where you transform this relationship. If you have been very negative around your life, that okay, I don't think I can ever find the right person. I'm always gonna be single. I don't think I'm gonna get married. I don't believe in love. This is also a time where you make that change. Okay, transform your negative thinking into positive thinking about your future, changing this relationship status quo. Please, if you have been stuck on a situation for a very long time and waiting for someone to come back, please move on. There is something you need to change. Okay, you need to change your mindset, and if you have been dragging or are surrounded with wrong people and you know it, please change that. End those relationships because it's already ended. There's nothing there. With the death card, it is the end of something. Okay, so I do see that ending will happen. If it hasn't already happened, you will be ending some relationships here. It can be friendships, it can be relatives, it can be your own siblings or family member. You're ending something and moving away from it, right? Making a better change, better choices in your life. So I do see that happening for you. Okay, so let this be your confirmation to make that change because it's necessary and it's high time. So Scorpios, if I look at your overall week, yes, it's going to be challenging, but also very liberating for you guys when you know the truth, when you choose yourself and you make that move for your own better future, it's going to be very good for you. And yes, this was a general reading, and if you guys resonated with it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get your accurate readings in advance. And if you have any questions in your mind, whether that's this video or any other area of your life, please book a personal reading for yourself. If you have more questions than one, I suggest you take a package because you will also get a free remedy. My prices are very budgeted. To know the prices, either you can email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram. Show some love to my new Instagram channel as well. And I also keep on posting the prices in my daily basis stories. It's there in my highlights, so you don't have to separately write an email or DM me for that. Okay. So yes, this is a challenging week. Please follow the directions so that it's as smooth as possible. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.